Hey everybody, we're back and we have a nice springy summer pasta dish.
Yes.
Do you want to tell them what we're making?
Yes, we are making a ricotta lemon fettuccine. It's simple, it's fast, it is not nutritious at all, but you can't have everything.
Oh, it's not that bad for you.
It's got nothing but cheese and pasta. I mean...
Yeah, but it's got freshly made ricotta cheese, right? No preservatives, because we made it.
Yes.
A fresh lemon from, where did this
Well,
lemon
we're
come?
only using the zest of the lemon.
Okay.
We're not even going to really use the lemon, we're just going to use the zest. I guess there is a vegetable in it. Parsley. I guess. Listen, in your buying, you need something fast, it's quick, it's easy, there's not that many steps, and it's something that's really, really delicious.
And it's also meatless, so if you are a vegetarian, you can have it, and if you're vegan, you can replace it with, I guess,
You can't make this if you're a vegan. You can't. How are you gonna? You're making ricotta lemon fettuccine. How do you replace the main
I don't know.
ingredients?
I'm trying to cater to everybody.
Well, you can't satisfy
All
everyone.
right, but can you tell me, John,
Yes.
where are you getting your lemons
Okay,
from?
so as some of you may know, some of you may not know, Jane and I are growing our own lemon tree. It's got maybe 30 lemons on
Right.
it, but they're still green. They're not ready yet. And we have a lime tree that's got just one lime on it. Whatever. Anyway, at our store, our nursery in Massapequa, we are selling lemon trees, and we have one lemon tree that is absolutely loaded with ripe.
And what's the name of our store?
Nicoletti's for the home.
And where is
In
it?
Massapequa, with a second location in Southold, New York, on the North Fork of Long Island.
I taught you well.
So anyway, so I picked this lemon off of the tree that we are selling to use
Okay.
in the recipe tonight.
How many pots do you need? You need a pot for the pasta, which is off to the
Jane's
side.
going to be in charge of boiling the water.
Okay.
That's what she's going to handle.
And filming.
And stirring the pasta.
And filming.
And then while the pasta is cooking, we're going to put together the ricotta lemon sauce.
Okay.
You could call it that, but it's really just whatever.
Okay.
It's a sauce. It is a sauce. It's a sauce that we're making. We're going to use pasta water. We're going to use this. We're going to use the cheese. We're going to use lemon zest. We're going to use the parsley, pepper, and stuff. And then we'll mix it all together. And then we're going to eat.
All right. Let's get started.
All right. We have fresh parsley, salt, fresh lemon picked from our tree.
Our tree where?
Well, not our tree here, but the trees we're selling at work. My tree is not ready yet. Pecorino Romano cheese, fettuccine, fresh ground pepper, and our fresh homemade ricotta cheese. And if you want to see the recipe for this and how we made it, you can click the link that Jane is going to put someplace on this screen where she puts it, and it's anybody's guess, but it's going to be there someplace, and you can see how we made the ricotta cheese.
Okay, and you're going to use that whole pack of fettuccine?
We are going to use the whole pound of fettuccine.
A
Yes.
pound?
Yes.
Who's coming over?
Nobody, and we're going to have, extra, but we're going to make it anyway. That's the
Okay.
difference. I just put my glasses on. It's a good thing, well, I put Jane's glasses on. It's a good thing I double checked, because now this fettuccine says 6 minutes. So 10 minutes, I would have had mushy, disgusting fettuccine.
Just
And
the
this-
way your father likes it.
Yeah, the way my father likes it. He likes everything soggy and mushy. Shout out to Patricia Ann, who knows what I'm talking about. All right,
Also known as Mimi Pat, his mom.
all right, we got boiling water.
Okay. I don't know how exciting this is going to be, people. Putting pasta in a...
And the fettuccine, this
Yeah.
is very hot. Okay, stir the fettuccine, Janie, please.
Stir and film. Stir and film. Got a lot of hats today to wear. Alright. I stirred. It's in there. It's going to boil. Alright. See, no, not covered. Very covered. Now.
Okay. So as the fettuccine is cooking, we're going to start to make the ricotta sauce. So the first thing we're going to do, and this pan goes on no heat, it's going to be just cold. But we're going to put in some pasta water. We're going to add the ricotta cheese, nice. Nice and fresh. I'm going to kind of spread that out a little bit. Okay.
And while I'm filming, John, I am going to stir. So, again, multitask, people.
We're going to put a little bit of fresh pepper.
Okay.
And the pepper is really to taste. You can put as much as you want. We're going to put just a pinch of salt, not a lot of salt. We're going to put in, this is about a cup of Romano cheese. We're going to put about half of that in. And we're going to zest up. We're going to do the zest of a lemon.
A whole lemon.
Yeah, thereabouts.
I'm doing my job. I'm doing my job over here. Double-fisted, filming, stirring, making sure everything is all right over there on the camera.
Okay.
Sammy doing nothing as usual.
So you're just going to kind of combine all of this together.
Okay.
Nice and nice. It's getting all caught up in my whisk. That's it right there. It'll come out.
Yeah. Were you supposed to use a whisk?
Yes. I can use whatever I want.
Metal one, probably.
Yeah, but then the metal one is gonna scrape my pot.
Oh. As a taste.
Good. I don't necessarily know if I like using this whisk. I gotta be honest with you. You might be right about the whisk.
I was right about that?
I mean, it happens. It happens.
I gotta eat that whole bowl. Not bowl, pan, whatever. I would put more cheese in my pot.
We're gonna put more cheese.
Oh, okay. You know it's not gonna go down easy if it ain't cheesy.
You can't steal somebody else's
But
tagline.
some people may have not heard it.
But I don't know if this is gonna be done in 6 minutes because this thing is not as hot as I'd like it to be.
Okay.
So, you know, again.
Technical difficulties. You switch spots. Now I'm gonna look terrible on the rolls. Switch spots. All stuff. I don't like that.
That's not the right one to start.
If you have a chance and you want to see some videos that are under a minute, there's some other recipes you could check. I have a playlist of shorts. You can check on my channel.
We're never gonna boil pasta on this thing.
No? Yeah, we'll just do it and you'll have to just come over from the oven and do your thing. Like a water boy.
We're gonna take a ladle full of pasta water. I'm gonna put it in here.
Sammy.
And we're gonna start to mix a little bit. Yeah, see now it's getting nice and creamy.
Yeah. Sammy, what's going on?
Good. That's telling me that it's 6 minutes, but that fettuccine is not done.
You don't think it's done?
No. We're gonna add half the parsley to this.
I don't know why I don't get on that other side.
And we're gonna continue to mix.
Looking good already.
I'm gonna stop this. That's annoying. Okay, nice. Make it nice. Make a nice little sauce here. Could use maybe a little bit more water. Let's see.
I don't know, looks good to me.
You kind of want it to be a little bit creamy. I'm gonna take just a little bit more, not a full ladle.
So a little more, yeah, take a little more
Just a
water,
little more.
add it in. Just a little more, yeah. Okay.
That's perfect. We're gonna add the rest of the cheese.
Yeah, baby.
A lot of cheese.
We like things cheesy.
Yeah, mix it up.
Cheesy and burnt, that should be the new channel. We put everything in the broiler and we like, oh, cheese. So cheesy and burnt. All right, so John is gonna test the pasta.
Fettuccine is finished.
Okay.
I'm gonna drain it.
Pasta's good.
Okay, ready? We're gonna put our fettuccine right into the pot. Oh, baby.
Yeah, baby, that looks good.
And we're gonna mix.
Here's your spoon.
No, I want the wooden spoon.
Oh,
And we're gonna mix this up.
I'm trying not to burn myself.
This is what I'm talking about.
That looks good.
This is what I'm talking about. All right, so you mixed it all up.
Okay.
You take out the rest of your little bit of parsley. You give it a little parsley on top for color.
Oh, look how beautiful that looks.
And you're done.
So now we're gonna get to try it. See,
Now we're gonna give it a little taste.
Ooh, I like it. Ooh, this fettuccine is like, I hate to say it, but it's hard. It's not. How is it?
It's delicious.
I can't, I need a spoon. I just want to try it. Mmm.
Okay.
It's very refreshing, like.
Very light.
Very spring, summery flavor with that lemon. Mmm, that was really good. The recipe will be in the description box below. If you make it, let us know. And we'll see you in the next video.
I'm ready. Born ready. I'm using substandard equipment. I got a scoop of water and bring the hot water this way.
You could have just put a plate underneath it.
No, that's nonsense.
What is this, like our 100th video? Feels like it.
Yes, it does.
I don't want to work. I just want to make videos all day. This boy's got to eat between 5:30 and 6 like an old man.
All I ate today was some almonds and a protein shake.
Yeah, but you weren't working today. Whose fault is that?
You know, if you cover the pot, it boils a little faster.
Why does he keep talking?